Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices required drivers you can download from there. Then you can see this is search button, you just click on that. After that you enter your model number Z790 DAC motherboard, then hit enter. So enter the title of the model number, then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, but both the installation process same. You can select any. You can see this video and install the Windows 10 operating system drivers. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. This is size and just click to download. This is download button. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It is download completed. Then open and double click to exe. You can see .exe and then click on yes. So now it is downloading, so wait few seconds, it will close automatically, means this is installed. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed.